Hi, Moonshine and Sunshine. Welcome to our first phonics lesson. So today we're going to learn a new sound. So we've done all of our single sounds. We're now going to do something called a digraph, and this has two sounds together. It has got s and h. Put them together and it makes shh. Can you say that? Shh. Shh. Fantastic. Shh, says the horse. And here is shh without the picture. So when you see it this side, you say shh. And when you see it this side, you say shh, says the horse. Let's try it. Shh, well done. Shh, says the horse. Fantastic. So what's this new sound? Our new sound is shh. Shh. Brilliant. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hide it in some sounds. And then just like what we've done before in the classroom, when you see the sound, the new sound, you're going to point to it and go shh. Let's practice. Shh. Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to hide it. And then you're going to go shh when you see it. Here we go. W, g, o, d, s. Did you get it? Shh. Fantastic. Well done. Okay, so now I'm going to show you some objects I've got in my bag that start with the sound shh. Let's see if you know what they are. Okay. Sh, L, shell. Shell starts with shh, shell. What else have I got? Oh, shoe. Shoe starts with shh. I know my name starts with shh. Shelton. Shh, Shelton. I've got something else in here. It's a game that you can play. And this is called a shuttlecock. Shuttlecock. And it's a bit like tennis, but you use it in a game called badminton and you hit it back and forth with a racket. This is called shuttlecock. So we have a shuttlecock, shell, shoe, Shelton. What I would like you to do now is have a think. What other words can you think of that start with shh? Maybe you could get your mum or whoever looks after you to do a little video of you saying words that start with shh, and you can send it to our email addresses. Okay, so we now know the new sound shh. We've said some objects that start with shh. We're now going to read some green words that start with our special friend sound shh. Get your fingers ready. See the special friend? Shh. Let's go. W, I, sh, wish. Let's do it one more time. W, I, sh, wish. I wish it will snow. Okay, next one. I, sh, fish. I, sh, fish. The special friend, shh. The fish was swimming in the pond. And the final one, special friend, shh, shh, op, shop, shh, op, shop. And you will use your money that you've been learning about in maths to go to the shop. Okay, so that's the end of our phonics lesson. I hope you all now know the sound shh. Come back tomorrow where we'll be learning a new sound. Don't forget, see what words you can think of that start with shh. See if you can find some pictures of them, see if you can write the words down, and then maybe you could send them to us via our email address. Okay, have fun learning. See you tomorrow. Bye.